What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming up with another video in JavaScript, and today we're going to be talking about objects. Yeah, what are objects in JavaScript? Objects are collections of data and functionalities stored as properties and methods that describe the object. So what is the syntax? How do we start using object? So let's start. Okay, right here we are going to do our script tag right here, Panther. We don't need that. And then we come right here in the bottom, enter. And then right here we are going to start. So there is a keyword that you start. We use the word const, and then variable name, let's put right here as a variable name, let's see, a list of let's see, person. Okay, person right here. Okay, equals, and then we do curly braces, open and closing, and then inside here we're going to have the properties, which contains a name and also a value pair. Yeah, that divides them with with a column. For example, person, right? We're going to have first name, and then column, and then what will be the first name? Let's put Pastor, my first name, and then we just do comma, and then we go last name. So we can just do, let's put Smith. Man, that's a cool last name for for my last name. And then let's just do age. Right here we can just do a little bit of a math. Let's do somebody that was born in the year 2008. Oh, actually no, let's just do 2023 minus, what is it, 1985. Pan, like that. Now next we're going to do, what do you do as a job? What do you do? Computer programmer. No, let's just do the single quotation marks or the double quotation marks. Either way, let's put right here teacher. A lot easier. Let's just keep adding more. So let's just do friends, and then we just do opening closing bracket, and then just put right here which are you friends, Pedro or Peter. Then we have Peter. Let's just do Peter. Same thing. And then we're going to say Steven. Okay, and that's how we end. Now right here we are going to do another variable right here, const. So we're going to have right here question. No, what is it? What is interesting? So user question. User, how do you spell question? User question. And then right here we're going to do the function prompt, and then we're going to ask, what do you want to know about, what do you want to know about Pastor? Okay, so we have all of these properties right here. Now what do you want to know about Pastor? We just do quotation mark, and then choose between first name comma last name comma age comma, let's just do job, Should just do job and friends. Cool. Now let's end it with the semicolon. Now right here we can just do a if statement. If a person want to do brackets, a person we're going to say user question, and then we do opening and closing braces, curly braces, and then we just do alert, and then we'll say person. We're going to use the bracket notation. Now we're going to be passing the user question right here, and then semicolon. Okay, and then we just do else. Oh, come on. And let's just copy this part right here, this line of code, paste it right here, and now yeah, should be let's change this the wrong answer. Okay, let's save it. Okay, in this case, okay, whatever the user wants to know about this person, what is the first name, last name, since we have this, we're passing these user questions, so he's going to enter any of this and it should give us the value. Okay, let's save it and let's go and check our browser. Okay, what do you want to know about Pastor? Choose between first name, last name, age, job, and friends. Let's just do first name. Pastor. Cool, that worked. Now let's do it again. I want to know the last name. Smith. Yeah, that's cool. Now one more time, I want to know age. 38. I am brilliant. My job. What do I do as a job? I'm a teacher. That's what we did. One more. Let's do friends. Who are my friends? Wrong answer. Do you know why it's giving the wrong answer? Because I entered the wrong. So we go back to our code. So it's only friend, not friends. It should give me Pedro, Peter, and Steven. So let's go back to our web browser and fix this. Thank you. Now let's just do friend instead of friends. Pedro, Peter, and Steven. So right. So that worked. That was pretty good. So that was just a pretty short video. So we're going to be still doing more videos about objects. We're going to do methods using in objects. We're going to be using class, constructors, and all that stuff. So, but thank you for checking the video. Hopefully this video can help you out. It was just a little short one, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.